The book of the Bible, chapter 16, verse 1. I'm reading. Diligent listeners, pay attention. Then Samson went to Gaza. You know Gaza? Where these Palestinian children, are fighting for their freedom. You call them terrorists? Those little children are being mowed down. 250 have already died. Palestinian children. So Samson goes to Gaza, the same Gaza. And he saw a harlot, a whore, a prostitute. And he went in unto her. Full stop. Come on, tell me now. What does it teach you? Samson goes to Gaza and he sees a harlot, a whore, a prostitute, and he goes in unto her. Full stop, nothing more. There's not a single redeeming word or phrase that this guy, for what he did, well, maybe this was a Palestinian whore or prostitute. So it means nothing. So it's a Palestinian. Maybe if she was an Israeli whore, it might have meant something. She was not an Israeli. So God didn't give him AIDS, He didn't give him VD, didn't give him gonorrhea, nothing. This great hero, he went to Gaza and he went into her. The more modern Bible, they say he spent the night with her. Doing what? Hallelujahs. Hallelujah, hallelujah. What were they doing? Spending the night with a prostitute whole night. What do you do? Hallelujah. Look, what is the moral? You see Ian Fleming, he wrote this, 007, James Bond. I don't know whether you've seen it. I'm told that, wherever he goes, he sees a beautiful woman, he goes into bed with her. Wherever he goes, it's like eating peanuts. Wherever he sees a woman, I'm asking Ian Fleming, ask him, where did he get the idea from? Here. The book is telling you. This guy goes to Gaza, he sees the prostitutes, wholesale.